Hello. Namaste to all. Asimita Prabhu, welcome you all to Om Divine Healing Channel. And today I'm going to carding for this whole week, which is from Monday till Sunday. The two decks which I'm going to use is the first one is Indigo Angel carded, and the second one is News from the Universe and the Abundance card deck. I will start reading from the first deck, and the first card is Shielding. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: although you may be strong at heart, your indigo energy is among the most sensitive on the planet, which is why you feel so intensely in situations where others seem calm. For that reason, this card is asking you to energetically shield yourself from negativity. Know that the angels are always around you and their powerful auras are continually at your disposal for energetic shielding. Simply ask heaven to surrender you with angelic light and know that you are spiritually and emotionally protected. Anytime you are in a hard situation, immediately request that the angel shield you. Another card. Think about it. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: this card asks you to step back from your current path or thought process and review the situations you are asked about. There is an unseen aspect, and the angels guide you to slow down so you can move forward with the whole picture in sight. This card can also be cautionary if you were about to make a radical change impulsive. While it may be still be the best path, this card asks you to look into the alternatives first. As an indigo, you are secretly sensitive to energy, and your mission is to heal and transform negative energy into positive. However, there is always a better way to do so. This card asks you to research your opinions for making the helpful changes that are part of your indigo mission. Another card. Nature. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: as an indigo, you are extremely sensitive and you can unknowingly absorb negative energy, which then affects you and those around you negatively. This limits your understanding of your amazing life purpose. So the angels ask you to step away temporarily and spend time in nature, connecting with this beautiful planet. It's time for you to explore the world outside your home and workplace. You are so much more than what you experience in your normal daily routine. Allowing yourself to be immersed in the earth's energy can be a healing and cleansing experience that will help you ground yourself and release that which no longer serves you. Another card. Mother Mary. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: known as the Queen of the Angels, Mother Mary is the embodiment of unconditional love and compassion. This card calls for you to look at the people in your life as well as yourself with this same love. Mother Mary can help you embrace your gifts and talents and honor yourself in every moment. Sometimes called the Divine Nature, she reminds you to be proud of how far you have come in this lifetime and encourages you to keep moving forward. Mother Mary protects, guides, and supports all children, including indigo children. She also helps you to help other children. Call upon Mother Mary to open your heart and make you aware of what a blessing you are on this planet. Another card. You are understood. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: the angels sent you this card because every aspect of your personality and existence make perfect sense to them. As an individual, you may feel flawed or that you have made mistakes. This card reminds you that nothing is a mistake. Everything is a divine appointment. Know that heaven and the angels see you as a perfect being, and they have been with you every step of your life. They know who you are and they are your divine perfection. The angels completely understand why you have made every decision you have made. Allow yourself to revel in the comfort of knowing that there is a force much bigger than any human on this planet, and this force sees you as a flawless soul doing the best you can. Another card. You are not alone. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: as you grow older, you will realize that no one on this planet truly knows what he or she is doing. We all just get by as best we can. This card reminds you that you have got plenty of help and companionship available to you. Never before have so many people come into a lifetime with the shared divine purpose of rewriting the script for daily human life. Your indigo mission is so very important, and there are literally millions of other indigos in this world having a very similar experiences. Ask the angels to help guide you to like-minded people who can relate to you. It will soon become apparent to you that you are indeed a part of one of the most significant moments in human history. Another card, Archangel Michael. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is. You receive this card because Archangel Michael wishes to work with you and your divine mission. Like all of the archangels, Michael can be with you and everyone simultaneously. As he is unlimited and non-denominational, he helps anyone who asks, especially if you have a life purpose to help the earth, which you and all indigos do. As the giver of strength, Archangel Michael reminds you of your role on earth. He helps you release fear and have a healthy level of self-confidence. Call upon him anytime you are afraid and know that you are immediately protected by the grace of heaven. Ask Archangel Michael to guide your decisions based on your purpose instead of fear, and rest assured that he will lead you to your highest potential. Whenever you feel alone, afraid, or vulnerable, allow the power of this magnificent angel to bring a comforting sense of protection to you. Last but not the least, patience. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is. This card signals that what you desire isn't yet ready to emerge in your life. This doesn't mean it won't come to you. It just means not at this current time. While you may feel ready to receive the fulfillment of your wishes, it's not the right moment. Patience is the one of the most important lessons an indigo can learn, because as the world is now, things happen much more slower than they need to. This card doesn't mean you have done anything wrong. It merely reminds you that as an indigo, you are an advanced being who sees the entirety of situations much faster than the average human. Be patient with the circumstances of people in your life. Know that you are not the only one who feels as if you are running a race against turtles. The better you get at waiting, the more happiness you will have. I will start reading cards from the Leather deck, and the first card is Reality. It's not that you are weak and dream of becoming strong, poor and dream of becoming rich, alone and dream of having friends, but that you are already strong, rich, and among friends. Yet at times you dream that you are not. Another card. When you look around you at those in the world who flourish, thrive, laugh, and love, those whose lives are filled with friendships, adventures, and abundance, aren't they more often than not? First and foremost, the dreamers. Wow, coincidence, or did you just luck out? Another card. Do you know what is a million times better than getting to the top of the mountain, getting there after having been lost? Last but not the least, have a wonderful eve. When you just close your eyes, take a few minutes and redirect your thinking. The monsters might shrink, the grins might grow, and the floodgates might be trembling again. So this was the card reading for this whole week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. To all my subscribers, people who are helping me to make this video, and people who are inspired to make this video, thank you all of you. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel. Take care, live with lots of love, light and angel blessings. Namaste.